guys, we made it to our final destination. Don't mind my glasses, these are my nephew Jack's. He left them in the barn. Couldn't find mine. Gotta have glasses out here. 90-degree day, sunny, hot. Perfect day for baling. Actually not too bad on that canopy tractor. You've got the breeze blowing in your hair. SR600 speed rake, working excellent. I've got it. I've moved it up. This is how you can adjust it so you're not digging, because it's later in the year. This hay is a lot lighter, so you don't have to dig as hard for it to pull.